What's up guys, we're back again and we're down at Capella this morning down at DFI Sales and Service, and what we're going to be doing today is we're actually going to be fitting all of our kits to DFI's new N80 Hilux. So we'll be putting our Trans Chill automatic transmission cooler on it, we'll be putting our ProVent kit on there, and we'll also be putting our PreLine-Plus kit on there as well. So we'll go through and we'll show you all the installation on this particular vehicle. So first thing we're going to install is we're going to install our PreLine-Plus pre-filter system. And first things first is we're going to run the cable for the alarm system. And the reason why we do that is generally when you have everything else installed, it's quite difficult to run that through. So we'll install that first. So like all our other kits, it comes with absolutely everything in the kit that you require to install this onto a particular application. So we'll get stuck into it and stay tuned and watch along. we're going to install the ProVent. So we'll jump back into it and we'll get it done.